Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well and taking good care of yourselves. As we all know that everybody love mountains and we always been crazy about the hills. So I decided to paint a beautiful mountain scenery with acrylics. And if you are new here then please do subscribe to this channel. Also press the bell so that you will get the notification whenever I'll upload a new video. Now let's begin. So in the first step, start painting the sky. Here I made a lightest shade with the mixture of blue and white. Take a large flat brush and start adding streaks of blue and white like I am applying here. Now start painting the mountains with the base color. You can make this shade of the base color with the help of white, black and blue. Here I added some white to the lower part of the mountains. Now make this light purple shade with the help of blue, white and crimson red. And apply it to the mountains with the help of a small round brush like this. Now here I am making another shade with the help of white, crimson red and yellow and applying it to other parts of the mountains. After that, it's time to add some snow to the mountains. When you are adding white to the mountains, make sure you are not adding too much. And when you are done with the mountains, start adding base color to the river. You can also add some streaks of blue and white to the river like this. And here I am adding dark green to the area where we are going to paint the trees. Now start adding some green with the help of an old flat brush. You can also use a stencil brush for this. After that, start painting the trees with the help of a small round brush. Here I am adding some yellow to the trees with the help of my detailing brush. For the large trees, I am using my flat brush and applying dark green like this. Here I am adding light shade of green with the help of yellow and green. You can also add yellow to the trees to make them more realistic. Now here we are going to add shadows of trees and mountains to the river. To make the shadows, here I am using my flat brush. Here I am adding yellow to the trees like we have done earlier. Now with the same colors we will paint the mountains, but this time I am not making them dark. I think the shadows of trees are looking smaller, so let's start making them little large. Now add some white random lines to the river like this. Here I am adding some black also. And here it's time to add some flowers. First of all, prepare your grass area with the help of a stencil brush. Here I am adding some green tones like dark green, light green, etc. And when you are done with this, make the grass with the help of detailing brush. To make the grass smoothly, mix your color in some water and apply it like this. Now start adding some leaves. Now I am going to add some flowers. You can easily make these beautiful flowers with the help of a small round brush, or you can also use a detailing brush. And in last, here I am adding some more effects to the river. You can add more white highlights to the river to make it realistic. And our painting is ready. I really hope you enjoyed this painting, and if you did, then please do hit the like button guys, and I'll be back soon with some other video. Till then, take care, bye.